Destination Nash's song at the end. Oh god, this video takes so funny.
Sorry.
Nice red shoes.
Holy crap! She's in a curve! I'm almost taking my Pepsi.
Sorry. Hit the curb. My bad. I can smell that. Oh, look over there. That's Kmart.
Oh.
Stalking you. The giant stalks up. Hey.
Sorry. Sorry.
How many burps do you need to do?
I'm going for the whole bottle to lift myself up and burp.
And you're taping this? You're filming this?
Yep. Happy Facebooking.